Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Flying cars are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction, they are rapidly transitioning into real-world innovations poised to change the way we travel forever. Between 2025 and 2030, these advanced vehicles are set to revolutionize urban mobility, offering a faster, more efficient, and futuristic alternative to conventional cars. Featuring cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technology, flying cars can bypass congested roads, cutting hours-long commutes into mere minutes. This breakthrough not only saves time but also brings unparalleled convenience to travelers, particularly in dense metropolitan areas. Imagine soaring above crowded streets, enjoying breathtaking aerial views, and reaching your destination without the frustration of traffic jams. This vision of seamless, effortless, and futuristic transportation is at the heart of what we at Royal Rides aim to explore and bring to our audience. The future of flying cars is intrinsically linked to sustainability, making these vehicles a beacon of hope for environmentally conscious transportation. Unlike traditional vehicles that rely on fossil fuels, flying cars leverage advanced electric propulsion systems to significantly reduce carbon emissions and environmental impact. These systems are further enhanced by the use of lightweight composite materials such as carbon fiber and titanium alloys, which not only improve fuel efficiency but also extend the lifespan of the vehicles. Some forward-thinking designs even feature solar panels that allow the cars to harness renewable energy while in flight, adding another layer of eco-friendliness. As cities and countries worldwide strive to achieve net zero emissions goals, flying cars stand out as a vital solution for clean and green transportation. At Royal Rides, we take you on a deep dive into the groundbreaking technologies shaping these sustainable marvels. Autonomous flying cars represent the pinnacle of innovation, combining artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics to redefine personal and public transportation. These self-driving vehicles are designed to operate without human pilots, using AI-powered navigation systems to plan routes, avoid obstacles, and ensure safe travel in busy airspaces. Sensors, radar, and cameras work together to provide real-time data that allows these vehicles to make split-second decisions, ensuring a smooth and safe flight experience. Imagine booking a flying car via an app, stepping inside, and letting the vehicle take you to your destination with precision and ease. Leading companies like Joby Aviation, Whisk Aero, and Archer Aviation are already testing autonomous air taxis that aim to revolutionize urban travel. At Royal Rides, we delve into how these futuristic machines will make flying cars accessible, efficient, and a staple of daily commuting. Flying cars of the future will embody versatility like never before, thanks to modular and hybrid designs that allow seamless transitions between ground and air travel. These innovative vehicles will feature detachable wings, foldable rotors, or other transformable components that make them adaptable to both road and aerial environments. For instance, you could drive your car through busy city streets, and when you reach an open space or vertiport, activate its flight mode to take off and bypass the traffic altogether. Hybrid propulsion systems, which combine electric motors and traditional fuel sources, will further enhance their range and reliability, making them suitable for long-distance travel. These designs are not only practical but also showcase the limitless potential of human creativity and engineering. At Royal Rides, we bring you detailed insights into the future-ready technology behind modular flying cars, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. The integration of flying cars into our daily lives will require a robust and futuristic infrastructure capable of supporting this new mode of transportation. Urban Air Mobility UAM envisions a world where vertiports, specialized hubs for takeoff, landing, maintenance, and recharging become integral parts of urban landscapes. These vertiports will be strategically placed across cities, ensuring easy access and efficient travel. Governments and private companies are already collaborating on the development of advanced air traffic management systems to handle low-altitude flights safely and efficiently. This includes technologies like geofencing, automated air traffic control, and dynamic flight routing. Imagine smart cities where flying cars, drones, and autonomous ground vehicles coexist in harmony, creating a multi-layered transportation ecosystem that maximizes convenience and minimizes delays. At Royal Rides, we explore how urban air mobility will shape the cities of tomorrow and transform the way we live and travel. Despite the immense potential of flying cars, their widespread adoption will require overcoming several significant challenges. Safety is a top concern, with stringent regulations needed to ensure that flying cars operate securely alongside existing aircraft and other aerial systems. Additionally, affordability remains a key issue, as the high cost of manufacturing and maintaining these vehicles could initially limit access to wealthy individuals or organizations. Advancements in energy efficiency and battery technology are also critical to making flying cars viable for mass adoption, particularly for long-range travel. However, with continued investment, innovation, and collaboration between governments and private companies, these obstacles are expected to be addressed in the coming years. By 2030, flying cars are anticipated to become a mainstream mode of transportation, revolutionizing not only how we travel but also how we perceive mobility. At Royal Rides, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest advancements, challenges, and success stories in this exciting field. Follow Royal Rides to stay updated on the world of flying car concepts and the transformative impact they will have on our future. To our channel,